Hi everyone, this is Cory here with a new another devlog today, and today I will continue to work on the game. And who don't know what is this? This is a multiplication game. I'm making it for my daughter so she can easier learn multiplications. And today I will fix a couple of bugs related to levels and level progression, and creating some of the serials for the levels, that kind of stuff. You will see. Okay, so first let me show the game current state. I still have the plug. I still didn't fix the bug with the animator. I want to create a complete new animator for this. In the meantime, I have to just kickstart it with a tick. Okay, so I start the game. And then I have to take a platform. I'm already standing on it. Yes, ignore that spinning thing, is just a placeholder. But there will be a twister under me. And then, again the same. But that's actually just luck. Yeah, I'm able to turn off that twister. I was testing something with that. I had to go to another platform. And let me show you the new camera. I have a new camera if I stand on the wrong place. Actually, this would be the right one. Then technically I will fall into that whirlpool when this will look better, of course. After that, when it's ready. I think I will even turn that off for now, because that just was a quick test. And what is it? What's... yeah. Okay. So, one of the issue what I have is when I unlock a level, then it is propagating, or doesn't matter if I keep playing the same level, it's keep unlocking the levels, because the check do not tests if is the next one is closed. It just goes search for the next one locked and unlock it. So that was the issue with it. And plus, because I'm working now with the locks at the moment are not connected in, because I changed this map to a new one. And in this new map, the locks are not handled yet. So I may do that as well today. That's the plan, more or less. Okay, let's dive into the code. Okay, where was this? This one is generation. Okay, maybe I find easier from here. So multiplication serial. There is one on levels. There is one which is holds all the levels. Game controller. No. Level. And then, no, that's the level itself, but there is a level manager somewhere. If I find it. Game level, that's the one. So here are all the levels what we have. It stores the active level as well. And I have I call a couple of serials. Oh no, this is the one what saves. I serialize it. And create instance. Okay, I have to refamiliarize with this code because I wrote this a long time ago. So I load levels. I load all the levels. And okay, let me see. So at start, I load levels. Load levels do open the file, load the elements, and then cause a on after changed level state, because all the levels are loaded and all the levels are updated on the list. So whichever level I have, after it's loaded it goes through them one by one, right? And updates them. So the stored one get updated from the save. So, and or from the previous save. And then what else we do here? Yeah, I put the to do here. That's what we will fix now. So it looks for levels first or default, which is not. And then this one looks for levels first or default. If it's logged. Unlock doubles. Okay, so unlock doubles is a special case. I will unlock only when we are in level, in this case, I think level 6 will be unlocking it. Or, yes, that's the new law, because I changed them up. Well, I think I still have the same, because you have to finish all these and then doubles unlock, and only after that. So doubles not locking the custom. You have to do the doubles so you can do the custom, or go to the custom, which is the inner ring. There will be an inner ring, but I didn't do with the map yet. I have to do that UI as well, but that takes usually, that's a 2-day job. So I will do another level. Yeah, I will do that too as well. But I did so much UI, I wanted to do something else. Active level. Okay, so this is sets the first default by criteria. Okay, so it sets the active level by criteria and game state changed. So if game state changed, this is what I was looking for. If we won, then we finalize active level. Okay, which is active level. Oh, sets the active level to finished. If we won, independent of it was set there before or not, which is kind of fine because it's already done, except later on when we actually have to set I have to know when we won, with how many stars we won. And then we unlock next level, which is locked. Here, if the multiplicand is 6 and the serial type is random order, that means is the blue gate. Those are the random ones. Then unlock doubles. So kind of that's fine. I will have one more like this for marathons later. Okay. So the only problem is unlock next level is looking for the first or default level, and then it's get if the level locked. So first search for the first and then sets the locked to false. Oh yeah, lock this false. I did this. This should be the another way around because it's confusing. It should be unlocked true, and for I don't know, locked false. It was for a moment. Yeah, I don't like the negative is the true. kind of setups. Those are usually not, well, usually can cause confusion. Okay. So I have to write here a serial which is looking for the next one where a multiplicand is one higher than now. Okay, but we finalized, right? So I finalized, but I didn't do unlock next level. So we are in the same level. So I have to check the very next level. First or default, or what kind of, what are my options here? Levels, let me see. Ranges parallel. Is there a find or find? There is find. Okay. So what is find? What parameters it needs? Predicate. Okay. So it's probably then level. So level I know I want to get the next level and then separately get a if, and on that if unlock it in case if it's locked. Is that right? Probably not. No. I want to find the next level where level dot type, I think it's type. Serial type equals let's say is okay. There are multiple things here what I have to find. This will be a complicated one, so let's break this out to a function. Is next level locked, or no, what is the question? So what I will test here, if the level is type A, then the same type B I need. If it's type B, then a level higher type A I need. Pretty much that's what I have to do. I may not need a function for that. So if level dot type serial type, let's do the easier one, equals serial type in order. So if it's an ordered one, and so if it's a level which is serial type in order one, or and Okay, wait, this one is the harder one. Level is all the levels. So I find the level. Well, the multiplicand is the same. It's an in order one. Okay. Not. It's a random one because random's coming after. It's a random order one. Isn't they just in a literal order in the array? Can I just get the next one? Let me check this. Yeah. 1, 1R, 2, 2R, 3, 3R. Yes, they are in order. So I don't need to do all this magic. I don't think I need to do this magic then. Then what I need to get the next level. Levels. Do I have an index, active one? I'm sure I have. I don't think I need to do the magic. Oh, I even have active level. But I don't have an index. Okay. That's again put me thinking. So if it's random, no. Okay, let's do it slightly different. If active level, I turn the whole thing in the upside down and then it will be easier. So if active level is a serial type equals serial type dot in order one. So this is a in order one. Then I need to find a random one which has the same multiplicand. So where and level dot multiplicand equals the active level dot multiplicand. Okay. Let me try to break this. And then I take the locked state of it and I set to false. Right? The only problem if it's not find one, but that shouldn't happen because we always have a normal and a random version of it. Okay. So that's one of the case. I may can merge it after, but I have to think it over first. Else if the another stage is this, if this active serial type is random order, right? That's the another type. Then find and set the one where, so if it's random, I have to set the next in order one where the multiplicand is larger, one larger than currently. So that's the next one. But also I have to make sure active level multiplicand is smaller than 12. Because if it's 12, don't do this. Because that's the last numbered level. That makes sense. There is more. As if we got into the else if hell. But first I have to write this out, so. Okay. If the current level, okay, let's get this. If the current level is a duplicand, in order duplicate, doubles, in order doubles, then find the level which is a random doubles, but I don't need anything else because, okay. In order doubles, don't need this. In order doubles don't need this because in order doubles are unlocked by that one. And unlock doubles, it finds in order doubles and unlocks that one. And then if we do that one, yeah, I probably don't need this here. I could add this to this monster. Yes, most likely. Do I want to? Do I want to? That's the question. Yeah, I cannot make really a switch of this because it's not just depends on serial type, but also multiplicand. Okay, I don't do the marathons yet. Or shall I? Okay. I think this one will go over to here. Maybe I put it in front of that one. As if, wait, I already have a if. I don't need that. So unlocks doubles. So I don't necessarily need that function then, because unlock doubles only does this. So for a moment, let me pull this over here. Okay. It's getting too long. I don't like it when it's too long. Of course, I'm zoomed in heavily so you can see well. Normally, I would have a little bit more space. Now I'm restricted to, I don't know. Let me see which character is it? 98, so less than 100 characters I have to be. If I go one more, yeah, 99 is there. Okay, so if it's a multiplicand is 6. Okay, but this is not as if. This is just a... Okay. this one is independent of the another one, because this one can be unlocked when one of the levels unlocked. It's allowed to unlock 2 at the same time, but that one is for the duplicate in order doubles. They are unlocking the same time when level 7 is unlocking at the moment. I might should put it earlier, like level 4, when you do level 4, because I want to as a bonus you can do anytime. Okay, so then of course it's not else if, it's just a if. And then the same way, maybe when you finish level 10, then if it's, and that was a random order one, then we'll unlock the marathon. In order marathon is unlocked. Okay, so that happens level 10. That means I have to add one more to unlock the random marathon, which is again will be similar to this one. Is just instead of the in order one, probably most of you have no idea what I'm talking about. Random marathon. Yes, I don't know. Yes, I look for the random marathon. No. I'm looking for the in order marathon. And if somebody finished that, which will be brutally hard to do, to be honest, then they unlock the in order marathon, which is the hardest of all but the optional level. Okay, but as if, okay, this, do I need to put these outside? No, or yes. No, because it depends on an in order doubles is finished. When you finish that, you not finish another ones. So this is kind of a side branch of the main map. Let me show you. So in the first 6 levels, they're coming in a order. And these ones, the red ones or pink ones, are in order. And those are random. And you have to do this and that and follow the path, and then this and that, follow the path, this and that, and so on. And what I do, if when you get to level 4, I will unlock the doubles and level 5. And then the same happens. This one is in the wrong order. I have to change this around. The pink should be this way. Anyway, I have to resize it because I think I made it slightly bigger than I should have. And some of these elements are outside of the boundary. So I have to do a little bit on this. Okay. So in theory, now the lock will be working correctly. However, if I start this, and I think I already had all the levels unlocked because the bug. Let me find. Where is the level? Oh, game level. So if it's actually, so you see here, level 1 unlocked here. This locked is unlocked, and if I go marathon, everything is unlocked. And many of these are not finished. So I don't have the finished settings. Oh, can you hear the wind? It comes from the game. Like I was like, did I left the window open? No, it comes from the game. So I can stop now. turn it back on, but it's very subtle at the moment. You probably need the headphone and volume up to even hear it a little bit. Okay, so I have to do a trick. I need to save this, save the levels to reset them. For that, what I need to do, I will change the level. At the beginning of the level, it loads the levels. But if at start time I save the levels, then it will save into the binary file whichever level were set, or whatever it was set. So let me reset them all again. Unfortunately, the lock's not working, so we can't test it directly. I have to, so I will lock all of them. Oh wait, let me just select them all. And I lock them. And I make them unfinished. So none of them finished. I will unlock the first one. At the moment, I'm not checking in this new one. I'm not checking for locked or finished or anything. And I also have stars. Yes. Because you can get 1, 2, 3 stars. We could fix that too. Okay, so I resetted all my levels. If I run the game now, because I changed the... Ooh. Okay, now it saved the data. So if I put back now, my changes is saved. If I know set to load level, now I should have them properly loaded. So even if I take one and change one, so I untick that one and then I run, then it will be ticked again. It will load now what we saved. And yes, and all of them are. So if I select them all except the first one, then all of them is ticked and none of them is finished, not even the first one. Perfect. Okay, so if now I go and I do one of the easy levels like this one, then this one should be unticked. Let's test. Okay, I have to do the easiest ever multiplication table in order to do this. That one, the lock not working yet, we have to do that next. That's the next step. Wait, I have to do that. Okay, and I think I know that. Yeah. Okay. And by the way, I have a second camera, which is a player camera. Where is 2? Where is 2? Ah. Okay. Or I have the cinematic one. That's the 2 cameras now. I still have to update that screen to a new model. Oh. At least I'm talking instead of doing the game. 2. Okay. Now I'm sure I can do this. This level is maybe harder than I thought. That's 5. And I open this one up so we will see it if it's get unticked when we won. I will move the camera forward so you can see the key. And maybe I should lock the controls. Oh, there's a 6 as well. That's easy. I'm thinking of maybe slowly, very, very slowly rotating the skybox if I can, because I feel it a little bit static. While it looks awesome, this new one. This new skybox looks really pretty. But I feel now it's a bit static. 9. Yeah, cool. So now I should unlock this one after I find the 10. And then I have to do the random one as well. So let's be sure the another one is working as well, the another type. Okay, yes, unlocked. And only that, right? Yes. So if I select these are still... Yeah, still locked. And that one is fine, and it's got finished. So the finish ticked work. And this one is locked. Okay, now I have to do this level, the random one, still this one, and that will unlock the level 2 in order one. So if I... Okay, I will stop it. And I start again. So I will go... So this one, what we did... Okay, I will show you in a sec. So we did this one, and now we go over to that one, and this one should unlock the pink one, because that's the in order version of it. Okay, wait, let me toggle that, and then I set it to, so I'm on level 2, and now I get the random ones. Ooh, that's exciting. Oh, right away at 10. Oh, and I'm on the 10. That was easy. When the character falls down, I put a scream on, but that was too much. That was too much. I don't want to scare the kids from the height. They play this game and they will have fear of heights after that, because they keep falling down. Of course, I want to add in animation when they fall down, then the little fairy will catch them and bring them back at least twice. Or something like that. Okay, I don't think the new map at all actually handling the locks and aloneness of or the availability of the different levels. So I have to check that. It's okay if I fix up all the level stuff, then I will be happy. And then victory, and it's got unlocked. And let's check, all others are locked, and this 3 is unlocked, and this one tick does finished, and level 2 is unlocked. Perfect. Okay, so now I do my another trick, because I want to check if we unlocking the double levels correctly, and for that I need to set save again a specific variation on this. So that would mean I have, which one I need? I need, so for the serial, the level, okay, so the 4 random need to be done. The 4 times table random. And then 5 will open and also doubles. Okay, let's test that. So first that I need to do all the way here are open and done. And then from 4 to the end, yeah, that's fine. So when I do the 4, it will unlock 5 and the doubles. And if I do the doubles, unlocks the random doubles. That's how I can test this, if this works properly. Okay, so let me run this so it saves the new state, and then I can load the state and play it. Okay, so first I just, okay, I save the state, and now I change it back. So maybe I should do a dev debug button on for this, so I can just change these and then push a button and save it. But if I leave something like this, then they will find it and then they can reset the level, so set to them anyhow, I don't know. Not necessarily, because I have access for this, they would not, in theory. Okay, so now if I start it, I will have, let me check if that's correct. So these ones all the way from here, they're ticked, unticked, and these ones are all not logged and finished. Something can be unlocked but not finished. Why I'm tracking finished? I think I used to have a flag on it, and that's the reason. However, because I will have the spirit animals unlocked, I need to that I can use that for that. So when I unlock a certain level, then I know which animal is unlocked. So I don't need to store that separately. I will have, you can free animals on each level, and then those ones can help you later on. Providing some buffs. Okay. Then let's go to level 4 random, right? Why I have 2 same? This should be a pink one. I never noticed that. I looked on it so many times, I never noticed I have a mistake here. But it should be a level 4 and random. Let me fix my animator by clicking on it. Okay, so I want to see level 5 unlocks and level double unlocks. Let's start this. Oh, this is in order. This is the wrong one. This is wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. Or I'm very unlucky. So, what about this one? Did I just mess them up? Or they are actually wrong? I may have to start this again. I have a bug. A few bugs. Few more bugs there. Okay, so if I start this one, is that in order as well? I actually can check and no, they just in the wrong order. Okay. Oh yeah, my animator.
Oh.
My animator. Where is my animator? Okay. $24. Ah. 16. Oh. 28.
Oh.
Ah. I should have jumped. Now I really have to pay attention, guys, because I'm on the last heart and I don't want to start again. 8. Okay, I pay attention now. I focus there. I was thinking about something I wanted to change design-wise. That's my excuse. Okay, that's 40, which is here. It's 4. I'm on my last life. I should have something what I can give a life. 16, 24.
Oh.
No, 32. Okay, let's play again. Will that reset properly? So testing that. I wanted to test that. I don't know my multiplication. Oh my god. That's funny. And it's recorded as showed for the word. Now I will do it flawless. That's 24. I will not talk that much now. 16. $28. So far, so good. 8. I'm good there. I'm good. Let's bring the camera a bit closer. I need to lock the mouse, but I don't want to do that yet. We'll do that one very last thing, because I often need the mouse. 32, right? Where is 32? Ooh, I got it. Okay, I switch camera. Slightly harder if you have the camera. 20. Where is 20? There is. Ah, come on. I made this game too hard. I should have jumped. 36, yeah. I was like, where is it? Where is it? Looking around on the edges. Okay, we won. Second try. Okay, so 5 is unlocked. And doubles is unlocked. and random doubles is not. Okay, cool. That worked, and now I can do the doubles. Oh no. Exit level. Exit level not working. Yeah, that's another bug. Okay, I have to restart. It used to work. Something I did somewhere. And it's not taking me back to map. Okay, so now doubles are open. And let me just think. So doubles are open. And okay, level 5 is open. Okay, doubles is open, but random doubles not. Okay, so we want to see that, and nothing else should change. Oh, here it's another bug. It picks up 0. I have a piece of code, but I will try to fix that today if I have enough time. There is a piece of code which is looking for neighbors, but only a couple of levels, like the doubles, has neighbors in. And these neighbors are just to make a game it's a little bit harder, like it's not hard enough. Like if it's the answer is 4, then its may drops in 3 and 5 next to it. But I have a bug. If there is a number which is not multiplicable, okay, talk, and not paying attention. So if it's not have a it's you can't make it from multiplications, like 13. So like primes and stuff, then what will happen? You get the empty screen, and it puts into the list, and it shouldn't. It should leave it out. 25. Ooh, what I got there? I know my doubles. They are not double. I don't know, maybe the naming is not good for this doubles. Like when you are multiply it with you itself. Yeah, I will rename this. Actually, now I'm thinking. They are not doubles. Why I call it as doubles? Double numbers, technically. Double the same number in a multiplication. So it like there was some stupid reason to say that. Said that. Yeah. I have to change the name for this. If you have any idea, let me know in the chat. What would be better? Let's say 2-1. Okay, and now pay attention here. That should unlock the... Where's 100? 100. Yeah. This should be unlocked. Yes. And didn't unlock anything else. Level 5. 5 random is still logged. That works how is intended. Okay. So that bug is solved now. This thing works how it's intended. It's got a little bit more complicated than I thought it will be, but it works. I can somehow simplify this, but yeah, maybe I can make a function from it, but it probably will be very complicated if I do that. So I think it's fine like this. Okay, so one bug done. Okay, and then I don't need unlock doubles. Okay, yes. Now let's check the mop. I didn't really wanted to do mop stuff, but I want to do the locks, and that will be fun. Okay, first let me open it for a moment and let's fix that gate. What was wrong? Wrong order and wrong color, or wrong naming. Probably just the name I have to change around, but I also have to change the class on it. Okay, so that's the mop UI. So this one, this is random, but this should be the in order one because we're coming from this way. Oh, I think I did this everywhere. Watch this in order, and then we go to random. Maybe because from here we enter here in order random. I just kept it the same. But that's not really make sense. I have to audit the path previously was going into the gates and then go to the next gate, but it got too complicated, lot of twists and turns, so I just merged up the islands. But definitely this one unlocks the path, and while that one is yeah, that one is unlocks the. So when you do the pink one, you will free the animal on the island, and then when you do that, you can go to the next island. So technically, it's two-step process to get through the game and to get that process and kind of. Yes, but definitely, at least I will. So this one, if this one is the in order, okay, let's say this one is the in order, then, and this one is the random button. Okay, the classes are the wrong way around. Oh no, this is random. Okay, then if this is in order, it has also the random. It has two classes on it, and the random one override the in order. So the name is fine. Now it's fine. Okay, the another thing I wanted to check, if I'm already here, the size of this. This should fit. I'm not sure why this one goes out of the screen. This should fit on the screen, on the normal screen. Okay, I will make it safer, so I will make it later smaller, but right now I want to make the locks show up. Or get hidden. The another thing what I'm thinking is we have the final tick. I probably don't need this because I will have stars, and when you finish you will get at least 1 star, so I could check against that instead of final. It's kind of redundant, but okay, I will see. So now I need the I close this, save this, close this. I will reorganize a little bit to make sense of them. I may change some of the order. I will see what is UI ways better later. Okay, so mop UI has a mop menu UI, infinite animation. Yeah, I think the mop menu UI what I need. Okay, so on this one, I put click events. I get the components. Yeah, that's I did not need. So map menu. Did I remove that already? Okay, so it sets up all the clicks, right? And it's have all the clickable buttons. Look for all the clickable buttons. And I also have the list of the levels here. Okay, so I have the levels, which has all the data, and I can update them because they are available. And I have the clicks assigned to the buttons, but the clickable buttons are in that list. And these are the events, but there is somewhere where I update it. Yes, this is where I show or hide them. Okay, so I will make another function here. Oh, this should be like that. Get serial button name. Yeah, that gets the name for that. Okay. So I need update level locks. Update level locks will be the function. And I will call it from here. I don't need to put that directly onto the event. The event calls this, and then I will update the locks. Okay. So I will need all of them. Or is this? No, it's just we went back to the map. When we open the map anytime, then we update. It just updates this one. Do I need to always update? I would be nicer if I update these locks whenever a load event or there is a level change event happened. I think that's way more efficient. So yes, let me close all the ones what I don't need, because I have 100 million things opened here from the last session. Okay, so there is a level state action. Let me see where I sending that from. I had the impression I do that from the level level manager. Okay, so level manager. Okay, let me see this. Why I closed another one? Level state action. It doesn't look like this one is used anywhere. No, it is. It used. Okay. Okay, so I need something like that to. Oh, this is an on destroy and on awake. That's fine because level is changed at load time and stuff. So on level state change, I will update level locks. So whenever something happened with levels, something get unlocked or changed, then I will update level locks by the asset what I'm already having. And this one has a serial type and the integer. Okay, so it unlocks But is this helps me? I don't think so. Because the level state change, we just go to a new level. This is when we entering a level. This is not when we unlocking a level. Or I don't think so. No. On level state change is just setting active, which is, what is that doing? Just activate the levels, but not necessarily doing anything with it. So what I have to do, oh, on after change, that's maybe better. Okay, so level manager. I invoke here when I load the level. Definitely we have to do this when the level loads. Please let me know in the chat if the stream is fine, because I got a little flickering here in the software, but no errors showing up. So it's possible it's just local. Yes, okay. It's fine. Okay, so I have the level state action. So on after changed. What is that? On after changed. But on after change don't have. It's just action. Like it's let me know levels changed, which is enough for me. I think that's enough. And on the level UI. Oh, this is the old level UI, so I definitely need this. The level UI is the old map, the previous map, which was a placeholder and was canvas based. This one is not. So I don't need the event. I don't need the data here because I already have it in the asset. The scriptable object has it. So I only need to do this. Nothing else. And then update level locks. Why is this complaining? So level state action. You don't need the brackets after it. It's the brackets. I run into that before. Okay, so in case level is changed, it's loaded. But is this only? No, game state. If we won, then I invoke it as well. Yeah, so this definitely has the right. This event comes at the right time. And I have the data locally, so I don't need to do anything else than for each. What is that? Are we going through the... How I approach this? Am I going through the buttons? And much... I have a function somewhere, either getting serial button by get serial by button name gives back a multiplication serial. That's the scriptable object. So I can use this. So I have to iterate the buttons. So I iterate the button, which is a clickable buttons. And the type is button. So button in clickable buttons, and then button get serial button name, a multiplication serial called serial equals I will call it multiplication serial name dot ser what's oh no, it's just name. Just that's a simple button. Okay, so I have my multiplication. I found my multiplication. Oh no. If what? No, that's not how I want to do. Ah, yeah, okay. So I got my button data. That's better right here. Button data. No, I'm iterating the other way around. No, that's fine. I need exactly the same way. I don't want to do one place. I iterate this way, another way. Yeah, okay. So I'm getting the button data. So it gives back the okay. So I have the button data, and then I have to check if so I have the button data and I have the button. Okay. I have to query down. Visual element, because it's an image. Lock equals the button dot q visual. I know now it's went weird. if you are used to canvas, then what are you doing? No, this is UI toolkit, the new UI system. Visual element, right? I forgot how to. Button class. And then, so I query it from dot element class, and then it's a lock. But I'm not sure of the name. Okay, multiple things are wrong here. Visual element. Okay, what did I wrong? What did I do wrong? Query button and the class. Okay, maybe I have to write. I think it's just Q. It has a shorthand. Clickable button is map menu UI. Clickable button. It's a list of button, but that one is a button. And then button. Oh. So button query a button which is lock. That part is fine. What's the problem here? Maybe lock is used. I don't see. Lock one. Yeah, I think I used somewhere lock. lock element. I don't want to use the word element everywhere. Lock element. And then I take the lock element and lock element to show or hide. I need to use this kind of thing. Flex and none. So if lock element, no, if button data dot locked, then lock element style should be none. No, flex, sorry, because it's locked, then it's true. Managed. Then it's none. Okay, so theory, this will set up the locks. If this works, this query properly, and I need to check what actually the class name is, because I just wrote that without knowing the class name. Hopefully I just find, yeah, I should only find it within that element, like a child elements only. So if I open one lock, it should have a class on it, but there isn't any. Yeah, there is no classes. Great. So I will just add the class code lock. And I add it to each element. Unfortunately, I can't select multiple element and do that. I have to do this for all the 14. Would be nice if I can select multiple of them, but if I select 2 of them, then this happens. So lock. Lock. I don't know if, because the name is lock as well, that will be causing any problem for me or not. They don't have unique names. On this map there is not that many, because I only have the 6 gate plus the doubles, so 7. So there is, that's still 14. Better than the 20 something. For what I have other ways. Okay. I'm wondering if I did add the lock everywhere. So I will double check it. After. Okay, so in order button, that has it. That's fine as well. Lock. Yeah, all of them has lock. Is the lock here? Have to be here, otherwise it's never, you can't find it. I have to add there as well. I don't know if this will be matter. The names are the same, which shouldn't be. Those should be unique. We will see in a second. Let's save. Okay, now if I run it, some of them should turn on, some of them should not. Well, nothing happened. If I open the levels, no, not that levels, the game level. I open this, then still some of them. Oh, these ones. Yeah, 4 R should be locked. And 5. Oh, how is 4R is locked? Something went wrong there. Did I tick that or something? No, could it not be? That was weird. Why 4R was locked? There's nothing what locks something, only unlocks. Yeah, I should have the reset levels button, which is sets everything back to start. And then I can start again, and I can add it onto the settings. Okay, I was expecting they disappear, or at least some of them. Oh, map menu UI had a bug on here. So it's possible I didn't get the right element out from here. Okay, so let's. It probably didn't find it. Did we get the button data? And then did we get the right lock element? You know what? I will do the button as well, so I know which button is. And then let's restart this, and then it should give me a bunch of lines there. And see what I get and what I'm not get. It's probably just colliding because all of them code lock. Not the class, but the name. Yes. So the button random one time, but that one even had separate names. And then level 1, it's got the serial nicely, but then it didn't get the lock. I hope I don't have to add the locks names. Like I had to do that with the button, but I hoped I can query from there. So when I was looking for this lock, couldn't find it. Okay, let's go back to the editor and see it. It's possible this is actually a neighbor, not a child, and then it makes sense. Let me just double check it. Yeah, that's what came in my mind. I think it's not a child. Wrong menu again. I keep opening that when I want to do open the map, because both of them is M. Oh yes, the button is a neighbor, not a child. The lock is a neighbor, not a child. It's a sibling. To use HTML terms or CSS terms. In that case, I just have to change this slightly. So the button need the parent, and I think there is. Yes, parent, and then the parent query. Oh, to a visual element, not even a button. Why I was looking for a button? Because the button I already have. I'm looking for the lock, which is an image, which is a visual element. Yes, I think so. I go up level, one up level to the parent, do the search there, I get the lock, and then I pull it out. Okay, That will do the trick. Okay. Uh-oh. In theory, do the trick. No, that worked. See, the lock disappeared from here and here. There is some weird stuff going on. That's probably because how I positioned it. That's a positioning problem. And then I have it on level 3, 4. Okay, let me cross check. Okay, I still got error on here. Okay, let's see where. So, oh, it was looking for level 3 R, and it's died. Most likely, I forgot to put the name lock in, set the lock class on it, or it has the same name. But the level 2 worked. So wait, a lot of them worked. Level 1 in order. Yeah. Level 2, level 3 died. Okay. I don't need the, because it's telling me the information. I don't need another 2 debug, just a lock element, and then I get less lines to go through. So that's one. And then the another thing I want to do is check 3x random. Oh, okay, whatever, level 3. Let's check level 3. So level 3 on the lock. The lock is there, and for this one, lock is there. But the lock not here for... Oh, that's level 3. Those are the doubles. Okay, lock missing. I thought that's all the issue. 4, 5. Lock is still here. Yeah, that was the only one missing it, I think. Okay. I have an issue when I hide this, then it takes up the full space and push everything out. So I need to change how I align them, because right now they are using a flexbox there, which will reorganize itself depending on how many elements are in, which is not right for me. Okay, so now I should not have any errors, and it should go and find all the levels which are... Okay, I don't see any errors. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is unlocked, and 4x is locked. Okay, let's double check that. So 4R is locked, which is weird because I think that's it saved something. I saved something with that one because that's that should be actually unlocked. Will be not right away react. I have to kind of go out from the map and come back to get refreshed. Or no, it's actually need a change of map to refresh that, like a reload level. So that one, I could actually implement a save button. Which is do a force save, saves over whatever is here. So that was actually correct. 5, it's probably missing it, but I can't see it because it's hanging too far away. Yeah, that's cool. Why level 4 is getting reticked? Something in my save file, I guess. Yes, and the doubles. Yeah, yes. One of them finished, the other is already unlocked. Those ones are correct. Now, if I get the first, yeah, I want to. Shall I fix the layout program, or I do layouts later because anyway I have to resize this and redo it, but I don't want to do it today because that will be its own episode of working level 2 and then fixing level 1 of the map. Okay. Midnight for me already. But how long I'm streaming? Just an hour and a half. Okay. I'm wondering of the stars. Okay. The stars happens when we win or lose. Okay, right now I'm listening on the level manager for the game 1 to go to the next level and do the things. However, I also need to know how many hearts we have. So I can set do I need to involve the level manager in this? Yes, because the level manager saves down the hearts. And right now it's not doing it because I'm listening to one, and one have no idea about hearts. And the hearts, there is somewhere, that's a UI element actually. Maybe I shouldn't keep it there. I check now and I make a plan and then I see if I can do it quickly or it takes a bigger effort to do the hearts. So victory, defeat, map, main, player UI, yeah, that's the one. So player UI has the player life UI script, which this is technically where I have all the hearts in the UI. Not necessarily was the smart, but again, doesn't matter because even the player would not know, would not really care about this. So if we get damaged, then I okay, so I'm tracking it here because I need to know how many hearts I have because I have to generate them and I need to know that one as well. And the level manager shouldn't know about this. No, it's nothing to do other than saves down the stars. And the stars is not really exactly the lives. Because later on it's possible you have more than 3 hearts. But that's not mean you will get, even if you have some damaged hearts and things like that, the stars you get depending on if you have no life loss. No. If you have 1 heart, 2 hearts, or 3 hearts, depending on you get. If you have at least 3 hearts, that doesn't matter if you started with 4, because you have a buff. If you have 3, then you get 3 stars. If you have 2, 2 stars, 1 star. So I need to know. However, the event I don't want to use this pull from here directly. Okay, what happens at 1? Heal, new state. When it's okay, I only reset it when I run the game again. When I go to running state again. So when I'm in win state or won state, I will have the right information about the hearts. So I can set the stars correctly. So I'm risking of saving twice instead of one time. But definitely I could send a message from, there's two options. I pull from here directly or send a message, and I'm preferring to send a message in this area wherever I possible. So on state, game state action, health state action. Okay, so maybe the health on one, it could send a message of how many hearts we have. So I wait for the one. Okay, case game state 1. Right? And then I do something. I send a message. Can't spell today. I'm getting tired, I think. That's so last thing. So if I won, then I need a new kind of health state. Health state could send this. So undamaged, unheard, public static action, and then final life, hearts, life, final life. So it sends final life. We can send final life from when we won. We sent final life. If anyone is subscribed, then invoke it. Oh wait, I here where I want to send the active life count. This is what matters. Of course, I have to how I do this. I forgot. I think I just put like that. And yeah, that's the way. So I send that one. So as long as I in level manager, if I signed up for this event, oh, I want to change that, sorry. Add state action on final life. And then on final life. And then this is the tricky bit, because I think I actually want to do this. I anyway will create a new one. Health or one one level. Life left. So if we won the level, then pretty much I want to do almost the same thing with one difference. So I want to do this instead of the game state changed. I don't know if I use it anywhere else, the game state changed. Or no, I don't think I need to do. Okay, what was the name of the function? I'm multi-threaded at the moment, my brain. Because I'm thinking on this and so if we call the final life, and then I don't need to call that one. So I don't need to unsubscribe it. I leave it here because I want to make sure this one is true. Okay, so when we won the level, then we finalize levels, unlock, next one, and save levels. Okay, so where we set the, which one is the finalize active levels? Yes, that just set it finished. Okay, so I need a new set stars. And then do set stars. And that will need an int, which it will be the life left. And stars. And then if I put this here, no, public why? Many things should be private here, what I did public. I will never call them from outside because I only do events. Set stars, int, and life left. Oh, stars. Star count. And then here, let's take the active level. Yeah, active level, what I need. Need active level dot stars equal star count. Okay, so that should set the star depending on how many hearts I finished with. So if it's 1, no, not exactly, because I don't want to set to 4. I only want to set it to 3 if you order 3 hearts you have. So okay. Int hello star count equals, if the star count is larger than 3, then it should be 3. Otherwise, I want star count. Okay. So we limit it to 3, and then we use the limited star count to the, or I could just do, instead of 2, I just do this. And then I don't need a separate function. Okay, so if the star count larger than 3, then 3, otherwise the star count, which is 1, 2, or 3. So that sets the stars. Now, let me check if the stars are set up actually. Because I don't want to replay a level to do odd stars, so I can just manipulate it from, or I need to play once to see if I get any. So if I go to level 1, that's boring. Let's do 3 by 3 or something, or doubles even. I do that. I like the doubles, or not doubles, but technically that's higher level. I lost my train of thoughts. Oh yeah, first I wanted to check if the stars are even set properly. They have classes and stuff. Oh, they don't have any. Okay, then, because I have to do that, and that's 167 times 3, 21. I'm not necessarily want to do that right now, because I can't set them at the same time for the class. I don't know why. Yeah, okay. I will do that later, but I want to do test. I want to do a test if the lock or the star sets get set properly. So if I do level 3, then we will know. I need to open this. Click on 1. Okay, so the star should be set here when I so that's the normal in order one, which should be this one. Yeah, let me fix first. And then I go back to level 3. So the number should change there. And only there. If I won. 3. Six, 6, 6. There's 2 6s there, which is allowed at the moment. I may it very rarely happens, but I should remove it. It happens because there is multiple ways to do 6. So it considers that one. But maybe people will think that's a bug. Hey, Dachi. 15. Ooh, I almost fall. I fixed the stars, or it actually generates stars depending on how many hearts I have, and we are looking for this one goes to 3 if I win the game. 18. Oh. Okay, to 2 because I only have 2 hearts left. Okay, so this number will go to 2 because I fall down once. I should focus. 21. 21. Yes. And 24. Almost there. I have a chance to win and then get 2 stars. $27. Yeah. Thank you. I put many. I started to add the effects on. That's what you probably see, and sound, which helps a lot. Okay. And I have the camera. I can now use close camera, or I have the cinematic one. Okay, yes. We got 2 stars. Worked. Cool. Okay. Dachi, we talked about, do you want to see how I did the... I just show quickly how I did the feel thing. Okay, so I consider that's a win, and I will do attach the stars later, next time, or off screen, because it works the same way how we did that with the lock. It's just I have to add a lot of classes into that place. Anyway, I have to fix some of the layout issues what having there. So I have the fill system, and what I did, I created for fills for effects, feedbacks, fill feedback. This is a plug. This is a really nice asset where you can give effects and stuff. So when we take position is the moment when the number is shown. So then I scale the screen. I play the gong, do impulse with the cine machine, so it moves the camera, and also add some lens distortion. And I have different ones for different. Some of them just at the moment has just audio source, because I just started to do this. So this is when we have the countdown. The numbers go down 3, 2, 1. Then each of them I need an event on there. And then when I drop the platform, later on I will have one on jump, special sprints. When I win the game, I don't have one yet, lost the game, I get damaged for a fall down technically. Sumo animal and falling. For the falling, I put in an extra detector, so whenever we just leave the platforms, there is a collider under it, a trigger. And then when we fall down far down, then we fall down to the boundary, which stops us, and then reset the game. So when I do falling, I play a little audio. First I put a scream in, but that one was too much. So how I connect this to my event system, I wrote one feedback controller, which I can attach to any of these. So I can attach the script for any of this, and how you see, I can set up if I can add even multiple of them. So if I want one serial, because I'm just setting these up, but maybe I can reuse some of these, then I can add it to different events. So I put in the event, a round event, which can be ready, recover, draw, take, drop, or after round. Or I have game states, like we open them up, or the game is ready to, when the play, yes, game ready, not often use it, this is used for init. Running when we actually do the rounds and we are playing, paused, won, lost, or if the cutscene, I can add in specific events there. And then also I have a player event, fall, won, or summon. That's player specific. Maybe that redundant the one, but fall, like there will be certain things what the player do, like summon animals, and then I can put some feedbacks and effects on it. And all of these, I wrote it once, and now whenever I go anywhere, I just need to set up here the right feedback for the right situation. So it's kind of do it once. Did I delete that from the countdown? Looks like I lost my round state from there. I may just deleted it. Oh no, that's actually a countdown. No, that one is the countdown. I have one more. On countdown, I play the animations. So that one is sent 3 times when the 3 message comes. So you've probably seen this, or some of you. So I have the 3 list and the boolean for the countdown. And I have the player, which I get the attached play MMF player, and then I just depending on what kind of event I placed in, I start to listen to only for those ones. So I will not listen for all events, just the ones whatever was filled out on whatever has elements in the lists or the related list. And then same on the destroy, and then it's kind of easy depending on the round state. If the round state is contained on the list, then I play the feedback, or if it's a game state, then that one as well, and so on. It's I don't know at the moment when I was building this, I don't know if I will have even feedbacks which I put on more places or not. So that's the reason I did this way. It's possible I don't need to make these a list. Could be only just one element in case if I will never do. But I thought I will have effects what I put on multiple of them. So that's why I have this system, and that means I wrote it once and never again I have to touch it. I just create, like I want to do one on win. I just add these classes and I set up the rounds without any code, which makes it quite nice to work with the feedbacks, because the feedbacks itself is really cool. I can just add the different stuff on it, and then I just can connect with this to any of my events what I have in my system, or relevant events what I have in my system, or the game states or the round states or anything else. So more or less that's it. It's safe for me to code anything or do anything else than just choose something from a drop down from states what I already have. So pretty much that's it. And that makes all the effects work nicely. So if I go for you can see those are the different events what you seen, and all the camera moves similarly actually attached into this, because I'm started to do the cinematic camera. If I fall down, then the camera goes above. Oh. And then you fall down. The reason is because I turned it off for now. I just had a placeholder. Let me show you that. Where is it? Where is my twister? On my level. I have to open it. So this is just a placeholder, but I will have a twister under me. So when I fall down, then I'm just emulating at the moment. So if I fall down, then you will see the camera move above and you fall into that twister. It will not look like this. This is just for me to have a... so it's like you fall into the twister. That's That's the idea. Of course, this one is just a placeholder at the moment for my twister. So a little bit showing forward what I'm planning to add. Yes, pretty much now. So I have all the level stuff working with the stars and the locks. I just have to update it here next time. And I'm getting quite close to release a version of it very soon, I think. Maybe probably somewhere next week. Cool mechanic. Reminds me of the pit mechanics in the old Mortal Kombat arcade games. Yeah, we love it. Mortal Kombat. We play some retro games with my daughter, and she loves it. I should not show her. So the very old ones are not that graphic than the new ones, but she loves that as well, and I loved it. I played it as a kid, those ones. So yeah, nice. But the reason you have 3 hearts, yeah, fun games all times. Like one of our favorite is still Golden Axe, if you believe. Me and my daughter together, we playing it from beginning to end. Only we have the first one. That one is also one of the favorite. Yes. Okay. So lot was done today. There is a couple of more things like the I have to fix the serial stuff. What job is a cheat code in Mortal Kombat? Oh, really? I didn't know that. Golden Ice is a legend game, yeah. Golden Ice as well, yeah. I think I said Golden Axe. Not the ice, but the ice is very good as well. Golden Ice is good. That's the Bond game, I think. If we are thinking of the same one. So cool. All right. Very late for me. It's after midnight. So I will thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and then see you tomorrow. Okay. Not Golden X. Ox. Thanks for the stream. Always have a good one. Oh yeah, you too as well. Okay. Thank you for the like. And then see you soon. And then I go to my ending page now. Bye.